Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel where I teaches things related to making money online, digital marketing, tech, e-coms, blogging, freelancing, and many more. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn your Facebook professional mode using smartphone. So the steps are so easy. I will show you how to do that from A to Z. But before we get into that, kindly subscribe to my channel and kindly turn on the notification bell so that you'll be able to see my next video, and kindly like and share. Thanks. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do now is to go to your Facebook using the app, maybe the Facebook Lite, Facebook app, or through your web browser. So let me navigate to my Facebook app. So I'll be using Lite for the purpose of the training. This Facebook Lite that I'll be using, I'll be using Facebook Lite for the purpose of the training. So let me click on it. So when I click on it, it should take me to this page. So when it takes you to this page, it's very simple. The first thing you have to do is to go to your profile. Then how do you navigate to your profile? It's very simple. So you will see the icon that I highlighted here. So click on the icon for you to go to your profile. So after clicking on it, it's going to take you to your profile. So when it takes you to your profile, the first thing you have to do is this. You can see the three dots after the edit profile. The three dot option is always there. So click on the three dot option. So when you click on the three dot option, it's going to show you some options. So when it shows you some options, that is where you'll be seeing turn on professional mode. So when you turn on your professional mode, then your Facebook will change to a professional mode, and you'll be able to have a lot of followers. So I've clicked on it. This is what it shows me. After that, I'm going to click on turn on, which is this turn on. So kindly let me click on the turn on button. So I've turned it on. It's loading. Wait for it to load finish. So after that, this is what it shows me. Welcome to professional mode. Explore how the way you can use profile mode to make the most of your experience. Start exploring. Click on done. So I'm done already, so I will click on done. So my Facebook account has turned to a professional mode, and I can do a lot of things on it now. Also, I will be able to monetize it. So that is how to change your Facebook account to a professional mode. I hope you find this video interesting. So kindly subscribe to my channel, likes and share, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.